2020 Volkswagen GLI came through. AWE Catback system. Let's check it out. Fully bolt-on. From here, we're going all the way back. Clamps, bolts, nuts. Came with these tips. This is actually an older, we did this work before, and then we just brought it back to check for a few things, but we're gonna let you guys hear it. It claims on the website it adds like 24 horsepower, 2.5-inch piping, so we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear how it sounds. Sorry about the planes. Every 2 seconds with these planes. We're also franchising.